Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Oracle Database XC21C on Oracle Linux 8. So if you go to official website, you can find download link that should take you to this particular page, and here you can see Oracle Database 21C Express Edition for Linux OLED. Right now, once you download this RPM, in downloads you will find the RPM. Now here, see, this is the RPM that I have downloaded. You can open terminal on this particular folder. Now next thing is to check the command to do the local install. So we'll go to the documentation where we have this specific command dnf-y local install and then our RPM link. So copy this. This is just a lot easier this way. Instead of remembering commands, this is the better option. Right now here you have to add your root password. Now it will start the installation. Now at the end of installation, you may notice that it requires specific configuration. So to do that, we will have to copy this particular line and then run the configuration script. Right, so let's go back to install. Okay, at the end you can see the installation has successfully completed installing the components and the database. Now, as I said, the next thing would be to do sudo and then run this particular configure script. So we'll just paste this. Okay, it will ask you to set the password for sys system and pd admin account. So yes, confirm password. Okay, now once you add the password and set up the database, it will create one pluggable and one container database, and it will show you to access this particular link. So if we open this, it should be taking us to that particular enterprise interface. Okay, so let me accept and just continue, and let's see what it shows me. Here you see Oracle Enterprise Manager Database Express. Right, and next thing would be to also check for your environment variables. So use this export option and make sure to export those two commands, right? And finally your INV variable as well, right? So you can set Oracle base manually if it is required, right? So okay, so it has explained why it has reverted back to the previous database home XC directory. So we have other things properly set. So now we can use. Okay, so let's take a look at how you can start the Oracle XC database service and also set it for startup. So what we will do is we will type in sudo systemctl and then enable, then Oracle-XC-21C. Now if you want to just set it for startup, use enable keyword. If you want to remove it from startup, then what you can do is type in disable. Similarly, just by making one more change Here you can see, if you just use start, it will start the instance of this particular service. Similarly, if you use stop, right, so if you use stop, then the service will be stopped, right? Now next thing, we will type in SQL plus sys as sys dba, right, and it should ask you to enter the password, and you are connected to SQL plus. Okay, now we can add new user to our SQL database. To do that, we will type in create user, and to create a particular user we use c hash hash. That's one way to identify your user. Let's see, my name, then identified by, and let's say password, so demo22, or you can go with longer password if you want, right, something like this big. Yeah, that should do. And then semicolon, hit enter. User is created. Now next thing, we have to grant some permissions. So grant unlimited, then table space, and then 2, and then point our user. Now next thing, we have to allocate specific resources, like grant resource connect db to, and then our user. So after this, we have to hit enter. So let me check. Okay, now the error was that I had to properly type in my name, right, to c hash hash, right, and grant succeeded. So you get the new user, also unlimited table space for that user. Then we also added some resources to this particular user.